This is the first major election in Kashmir since the revocation of Article 370, and political parties are grappling with the reality of new electoral map as the delimitation exercise has drastically redrawn electoral boundaries in Jammu and Kashmir. These mountains divide one part of Anantnag parliamentary seat from the other part in Poonch and Rajouri.
Less than 10 days before the third phase of elections, there is uncertainty if elections in Anantnag Rajouri constituency will be held on May 7 or deferred on the grounds of connectivity, challenges and weather conditions. Election Commission is likely to take a decision shortly. National Conference and the PDP say weather and road connectivity is being used as an excuse to derail election process.
Election Commission के तरफ से जो जम्मू कश्मीर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को जो चिट्ठी गई है वो भी एक अजीब चिट्ठी है। सबसे पहले तो उनमें वो लोग शामिल हैं जो इलेक्शन लड़ भी नहीं रहे हैं। अब मुझे बताइए, पीपल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस का इसमें कोई उम्मीदवार है नहीं, बीजेपी का इसमें कोई उम्मीदवार है नहीं, उनको इस इलेक्शन से क्या लेना देना।
चुका है, मैं खुद मुगल रोड से यहाँ के मैंने ट्रैवल किया है, तो आज कौन सा बहाना है ये इलेक्शन डेफर करने का। ऑलरेडी डिलिमिटेशन की वजह से जो उन्होंने तो आधी रिगिंग तो पहले ही कर दी जो डिलिमिट कर दिया।
Campaigning in these two disconnected regions that form the Anantnag Rajouri parliament seat in Jammu and Kashmir has been a challenge for parties. Interestingly, the BJP has not fielded any candidate from Anantnag Rajouri seat, but it wants the deferment of polls on the ground that candidates could not campaign. It was only after the BJP and some regional groups had written a letter to the Election Commission of India, the Commission has asked the Jammu Kashmir administration to submit a report. The report seeks if polls need to be rescheduled because of connectivity issues. The BJP says it's not their fault if snowfall has closed the road.
भाई अब मौसम खराब है, भारी बर्फबारी हुई है, मुगल रोड की कनेक्टिविटी रजौरी पुंछ की कश्मीर घाटी से बंद है, तो इसमें बीजेपी का क्या कसूर है। अब मुगल रोड के ऊपर हिमालय पर्वत श्रृंखलाओं में पीर की गली और पीर पंजाल के पहाड़ों के ऊपर जबरदस्त बर्फबारी हुई है, तो इस बर्फबारी में बीजेपी का क्या कसूर है।
While 21 candidates are in fray in Anantnag, it appears to be a triangular contest between Mia Altaf Ahmed of National Conference, Mehbooba Mufti of PDP and G&K Apni Party, believed to be backed by BJP. The Congress and CPIM are supporting National Congress as part of India Alliance.
Anantnag Rajouri seat is not just a high-stake battle for the parliament elections. Its results will also shape political landscape in Kashmir ahead of next assembly elections. In South Kashmir, Nazir Masoodi, for NDTV.